Hi 10th class students, in the last class we discussed the fourth Roman problems in the real numbers exercise 1.5. Today we have to do the fourth Roman, not third Roman completed. Today we are discussing expand the following fourth Roman. The first question is log 1000. Log 1000 can be written as log 10 cube. 10 cube can be written as 3 log 10. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Log 10 cube can be written as 3 log 10. Log 10 can be how, like we have to express this one, 2 into 5. So log 2 into 5, that is log AB formula, log 2 plus log 5. This is the first problem in fourth Roman. Now the second question is log 128 by 625. This is same as the example 11 problem model. Page number 21, example 11 is there. So same problem you have to do yourself. And go through the third problem, log x square y cube z power 4. This is we will do in this class. Log x square y cube z power 4. This is the third problem in the fourth Roman. So what formula like how it is? Log A B C. Log A B C formula, log A plus log B plus log C, which is log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. Since from the supporting formula log x y z can be written as log x plus log y plus log z. So that this is the extension of log xy formula. So other hand, just we have to replace the variables log A B C, log A plus log B plus log C. This is the formula. So again another formula will be obtained to us, log x square log A power m. Log A power m can be written as m log A. So that 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Since from log x power m can be written as m log x. This is the third problem in this Roman. Now we are going to discuss the fourth problem, log p square q cube by r. Log p square q cube by r. How we have to express this one? One time see here. The fourth problem, log p square q cube by r. Think the first numerator is taken as a x, the denominator is taken as y. So log x by y. Log x by y formula already you know that log x minus log y. So that log p square q cube minus log r. Since from the supporting formula log x by y equal to log x minus log y. Again here another formula is there, log x y. Log x y formula is log x plus log y. So that log p square plus log q cube minus log r. Since from the supporting formula log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Again log x power m like how? Log x power m formula m log x. So this is 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. So that since from the supporting formula log x power m is equal to m log x. This is the expansion of the fourth problem. Now we are going to discuss the next problem is fifth one, little bit of difficult, not difficult, just we have to think some effort. Log root of x cube by y square. How we have to do this one? One time see. Log x cube by y square root of this one. Think this entire one is taken as a root a formula like how. So that we have to do this one log x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. Again think this entire one is taken as x log x power m. Log x power m can be written as m log x. So that half log x cube by y square. Supporting formula log x power m equal to m log x. Now half is the half into log x cube by y square. Again this is taken as x, this entire one is taken as y. So log x by y. Log x by y formula already we wrote here. Log x by y is log x minus log y. In the same pattern you have to expand that one. Log x cube minus log y square. Since from log x by y log x minus log y. Again log x power m like how? So that half of 3 log x minus 2 log y. Since from the supporting formula log x power m is equal to m log x. Understand? These are the 3 problems in this Roman. Now we have to go through the next Roman, that is 5th Roman question. If x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. How we have to represent that one? One time see here. X square plus y square equal 25xy. If x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. One of the important question for 2 marks. If x square plus y square equal to 25xy, prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. How we have to do this one? One time see. Let us take the given one. X square plus y square equal to 25xy. One time just think the solution 2 log x plus y. Transpose 2 to the power m log x like how? M log x. M log x can be written as log x power m. So that it can be written as log x plus y whole square. మరి x plus y whole square రావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తే సరిపోతుందండి రెండు దర్లు? When we add the 2xy on both sides, you get the LHS result. So I have to add 2xy on both sides. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 25xy plus 2xy. So that is x plus y whole square equal to 27xy. Taking logarithms on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. So you get what happens? Log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. 27 into xy. X plus y whole square. Log a power m log x. 2 log x plus y is equal to log 20. See, let us see. This is a, this one is b, this one is c. Log a, b, c. That is in the pattern of log x, y, z. So, log 27 plus log x plus log y. Here we wrote two formulas at a time. Log x power m formula applied in the LHS, log x, y, z formula applied in the RHS. So, you have to think the both formula. Log x power m is equal to m log x. Log xy formula xyz equal to log x plus log y plus log z. So, 2 log x plus y equal to log 27 can be written as log 3 cube. Log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Here 3 cube, log 3 cube can be written as log x power m. It can be written as m log x, that is 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So, this is the solution of this fifth problem. So, in this way we have to solve this the fifth Roman problem. Another time. In this way, just you have to practice these problems. Tomorrow class we have to do the remaining problems. Okay children, bye.